wrong, Keith, when I hear you talk about plowable snow, that I hear Homer Simpson singing his Mr. Plow theme in my head.
I don't remember that one.
I don't either.
You're not going to sing it? Oh, okay. All right. I remember when he designed
it. It just says, call Mr. Plow, that's my name. That name again is Mr. Plow.
I remember when he designed a car and it was just all horns. Do you remember that episode? They're like, design a car.
How would that travel in the snow? We're kind of keep on a theme here.
Okay, all right, sorry. Yeah, I'm derailing us as usual. Here is our storm system that is moving through the Ohio Valley right now. And you know, it's not a very impressive storm system right now, and it's not going to be as it moves towards us. This is not a big nor'easter or coastal bomb type storm, but it's going to be very effective in accumulating snow, and that's what really matters, right? Current temperatures in the 20s and teens in a lot of spots, and if anything, temperatures drop. They do drop overnight tonight and into our storm system, so we're looking at an all-snow event here. All right, so if you've got something going on tonight, no problems up till midnight, 1 a.m., 2 a.m. probably is fine, but let's not get crazy. You don't need to be out till 2 a.m., all right? The snow starts moving in, though, around 4 or 5 a.m. over southwestern Maine, and then I think it's in place for a good part of the state for the morning commute. And some of these bands you can see are darker blue, and that's indicating moderate, if not heavy, bands of snow. So I think it really gets going right away here through tomorrow morning, and the snow moves into Bangor. I'll show you a graphic on the timing here in just a second. But you can see the heaviest bands are concentrated along the coastline and over southern Maine. So that's where we expect the heaviest snow to be falling. Temperatures are in the teens. It's really not very close to changing over to sleet or anything like that. It's a straight snow kind of storm. Continues through the middle of the day into the afternoon, and then once the storm moves to the east, we lose some of the dynamics that support these snow bands, and I think we rapidly turn into just broken snow showers right around sunset and then thereafter, and the storm should be out of here by 8, 9 o'clock at the very latest tomorrow night, and then temperatures drop and it's cold on the backside for Saturday. So snow start time here 4 to 6 a.m. In the shaded blue area, 6 to 9 a.m. in the lighter blue, and that includes up to Bangor and points northward, and then noon north of that, where this storm is substantially less of a big deal because we're too far away from the moisture source. So as far as total snowfall goes, you know, we had a map out on Tuesday. This is pretty much the same map. The only difference is we have a little bump here that incorporates Freiburg into the 6 to 12. And I think a lot of this 6 to 12 will get done with snowfall ratios, meaning we're getting a lot of snow out of not a ton of liquid. 3 to 6 inches, and that includes all the way to down East Maine. Watch it though, some of these islands off the coast of down East Maine, I think could get into that 6 to 12 because for once, they're not going to change over to rain. They're kind of used to doing that, but not this time. Quiet on Saturday, a little bit warmer on Sunday, cold on Monday, just moderating mid next week into the mid 30s, which is about average for this time of the year. Certainly it will be less extreme next week than this week as we head into the beginning of March. That can go a number of ways. The beginning of March can go a number of ways.
And it usually goes all of them at some point.
Right. Yeah, so I think we're actually going to start on kind of a mellow note next week.
Well, we can live with that.
Yeah.
Thanks, Keith.